Hello, on the screen is a summary of what I will go over in this video. Make sure to watch to the end so you don't miss anything. If you're tired of stuttering and lag ruining your Rainbow Six Siege matches, we've got you covered with 5 game-changing tips that'll boost your FPS immediately. Step 1. Start by lowering your graphics settings. Head into your video options and drop your resolution to 1080p if you're not already there. Turn off or reduce ray tracing completely since that eats up massive amounts of GPU power. Set your texture quality to medium and disable ambient occlusion, which creates shadows but tanks your frame rate hard. Step 2. Adjust your render scaling down to about 80 to 90%. This is a hidden gem that most players don't know about. It renders the game at a lower resolution internally but scales it back up, giving you that sweet FPS boost without losing too much visual clarity. Step 3. Close background applications running on your computer. Discord, Chrome, Spotify, anything eating up your CPU and RAM needs to go. Open your task manager, check what's hogging resources, and shut it down before you launch the game. Step 4. Update your graphics drivers immediately. NVIDIA, AMD, Intel releases driver updates constantly that optimize performance for new games. Visit their websites, download the latest version, and install it fresh. This alone can give you 10 to 20 frames per second gains. Step 5. Consider overclocking your graphics card if you're comfortable with it. You can use software like MSI Afterburner to safely push your GPU slightly harder and squeeze out extra frames. Just increase the core clock in small increments, test stability, and back off if you see crashes. These 5 methods combined will transform your gameplay.